Welcome to Mikon's Hardware. In this video I'm going to tell you about this cheap USB Type-C hub from Banggood. Banggood contacted me and asked if I would like to review some products, and they provided me a list of products, so I picked something that I would actually have use for. And this USB hub is something I need because I have Dell XPS laptop and it doesn't have as many ports as I would wish. This one has USB Type-C connection, which turns out to be actually Thunderbolt and not just USB Type-C. In general, there is not much to tell about this hub. It works as desired, and you have plenty of different connectivity options with this. So on this side you have two USB 2 ports, two USB 3 ports, audio jack. On the other side you are getting a VGA port, HDMI port, network port, and one more USB Type-C connection. And on this side you're getting two slots for SD cards. Of course, I have also opened up the USB hub to see what we have inside. Unfortunately, I'm not technical enough to tell you if it is good or bad, but if you're technical and you would like to see the list of used components, then you can see everything on your screen. I have tested basically everything except of the SD cards and the VGA output because I don't have devices to test with it. It's important to understand that this is just a plain USB hub. It does not have a VGA or graphics adapter built inside. So to get your video output through VGA or through HDMI, your device that you are using must support video output through a Thunderbolt or USB Type-C connection. For example, I have tested with my MSI Z690A Pro motherboard, and that one does not support video output through USB Type-C, and in that configuration HDMI and VGA ports are not working. But testing with my Dell XPS laptop, which does support video output through Thunderbolt, it works as expected. To test performance of this USB hub, I have connected two external USB 3.0 SSD drives. One is my Samsung T5 SSD drive and another one was a SanDisk through another adapter. Then I have connected keyboard, mouse to my USB 2.0 ports. I have connected video output, which was working at 4K 30 FPS. My Dell XPS does not support 4K at 60 FPS. I have also connected network cord. Then I have started to Crystal Disk Mark test over my two SSD drives as well as over network. Everything worked just fine. I did not get any freezes, I did not get any lags. Still, it's important to mention that if I connect my Samsung T5 external USB through this hub to the Type-C port, then I'm getting slower performance than if I connect the SSD drive straight to the motherboard using the Type-A port. But if I connect this hub to my Thunderbolt port on my Dell XPS, then Samsung T5 performs just as expected. Thus, I believe that this is not problem of the hub, it's problem of the motherboard. All in all, I was positively surprised with this little USB hub. I have tested multiple different Chinese USB adapters and USB hubs, and most of them had some sort of an issue. For example, sometimes my keyboard or mouse would just get disconnected and I had to plug it out and plug it back in. It did not happen with this hub, but again, I have tested only for 2 days. Also, the hub was not overheating, and when I was running stress test, nothing got disconnected, everything completed. In the very end, it's up to you if you need it or no. If you have a laptop with a Thunderbolt connection and you're lacking some USB ports or HDMI output, then this might be a good option for little money. On the other hand, if you don't need it, well, you don't need it. I am going to use this hub for my personal needs, and I will try to monitor how it behaves over the time. If it fails in a few weeks or in a few months, I will report on my YouTube community tab, but with this, that's probably all I can tell about this little hub. If you're interested to buy it, link will be provided in the video description, and thanks for watching, thanks for listening, bye bye!